Smells the salt. Smells salt. I love it.
Beach.
Gongdeok. Oh.
You can see the typhoon damage.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
미치겠다.
Put your head.
Put your hood. Okay. Do you remember what a typhoon is? It's a big storm by the ocean. No stepping in the puddles, honey. Come on. Whoa. No swimming. Mom, you okay?
Yeah.
Careful, Georgie, when you're.
That big string the typhoon made.
Yeah, that's right.
The typhoon made a big string for kids.
Maybe we can be go inside. No, not far.
Mama,
Those are big seagulls, huh? All right, let's go follow. Follow.
I don't want to step on a single bone thing.
Okay, I do. It doesn't get in your shoes. It won't get inside your shoes like your socks. Come on, they're waiting for us. We've never been to the Pacific Ocean before. Come on.
Really
Okay. Look, somebody's fishing down there, you see? Mm-hmm. Lots of trash, huh? Oh! Ooh, maybe